Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. I really do appreciate it so very much. This is the last video that will be filmed in this weird space without like great lighting. Yeah, because I will be back after this. I'm already back when this is going up from my trip to see family over Thanksgiving. So we'll be back soon, and we will have the other boxes that did not come. They're all sitting at the post office, I think, right now, waiting for me to get home. Anyway, I have my Boxycharm today. I am very excited to open this. I cannot wait for the December. I have the Luxe box next month, and I'm really, really excited about that. So this is the little card that they give you that has all of the totals in it. So let's see what we got. The first thing I pulled out is from Lashholic. These are Instagram false eyelashes that retail for $14.99. They're not too terrible. I'm just not a lash person, so I'm probably going to pass those lashes along because they're just not for me. I can tell you this is not for me either. This is a Jaunt Blue Glittering Star Eyeliner in black. And this retails for $5. If you've watched me, you know I never wear eyeliner. I did a 30 and 30 with eyeliners, and it was like the hardest thing I have ever done. I was miserable, so yeah, that one's going to be passed along. Next is from Luxie Beauty. This is a luminous eye set. It says Luxie. It's really hard to see it on that side. It's much easier to read it in the black. I do like the little packaging though. It's kind of compact, which is nice. These retail for $21. It looks to be a set of 4 if I can get the packaging open. I take back what I said about the packaging. These are so tiny. Oh my gosh. Okay. So in here there's 4 brushes. They're really like, these two are teeny tiny. This is the Wet n Wild large shader brush, so you could see like they're shorter just by a little bit, but they're also way smaller. I wonder what else do I have. I have an SL Miss Glam brush with a thing on it, and that's what it looks like. So they're pretty small. Maybe I will be able to do better detail work. We'll see. Sometimes I find the smaller brushes I don't have as much patience for. So we'll see. It can't be any worse than what my makeup turned out to be. Today I have like, it went everywhere. Next up is from Cover FX. These are glitter drops in the shade Nova. These retail for $44. Man, why would you pay, sorry, $44 is a lot for glitter drops. I don't see myself wearing these, so I'm going to put them away also, because I have so much right now. I'm a little overload, to be honest. If I can pass something along and somebody else will enjoy it, I'd rather do that. And then the last thing in this month's box is from Ace Beauty. I have no idea. It is the Grandiose palette, and let's see if we can get it open. It retails for $24.99. That's what it looks like. So very much like the outer sleeve, and it has 8 colors in it. I was like, what? How many colors? So let's swatch a few. We'll do Clove, which is that peach. We'll do Rose, because that's that pretty rose color. We'll do Primrose, that gold, and then Jasmine, because it's Jasmine, and Jasmine's a princess, and you gotta love princesses, right? Ooh, that red goes really nice. So do the glitters, or the shimmers. So that's what they look like. The Jasmine was a little chunkier. There are chunks on there. I don't think you can see them. It's hard also because my swatches for my last 2 boxes are on there. Anyway, that is what they look like. So that's exciting. Oh, I like the inside too. It has that instead of a mirror, because I don't feel like I need a mirror a lot of the time. I know that's an unpopular opinion, but there we go. That was this month's Boxycharm. It was okay. I think I'm keeping 2 of the 5 items. I'll keep the brushes and see how they work, and if not, I'll pass them along. And then I'll keep the eyeshadow palette, but the glitter drops, the eyeliner, and the lashes, those are definitely going, because those are just not me whatsoever. I would love to hear what your thoughts were on this box. Did you get it? Are you looking forward to December's box? I did. I requested the palette because they let you choose which one you wanted for the luxe, so I got the palette. That will be a little spoiler. So I'm excited to get that. I would love to know your thoughts and opinions. And also, what did you do for Thanksgiving? Did you go out of town? Did you stay in town? Did you cook? Did you not cook? Let me know what's going on down below, and I hope you all have a fantastic day.